Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is TJ, and if you're new to my channel, I do decorating and cleaning videos. So if that's your type of content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So in this video, I'm going to do a decorate and clean with me of my kitchen, bar, and tea area. I'm going to clean down my Keurig, the countertops, and basically organize this space because this is the area where I begin my morning every day, and I need to charge, and I need to make sure that I have all my essentials for this area in order to make my tea or my coffee. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So let's start decorating and cleaning. So this is where I store all my K-cups. I got this storage case off Amazon. I thought it was a good idea to purchase this because it saves space and I can place my Keurig on top, unlike the tower that you get where you could place the K-cups. I think that took up too much space since my countertop has limited space, so I decided to purchase this storage container instead. So now that my Keurig is set up, I'm going to decorate the space. Now I've already had some of the items that I'm gonna decorate in the space, but I just switched up a few little things. I got rid of my pineapple and my apple and a few other items. So I just wanted to make it simpler and cleaner and just refresh the space a little bit. So I'm gonna place all my essentials in these 3 containers: my sugar cubes, my tea bags, and my spoons. Now I decided to use the sugar cubes because they're simpler, easier. You could just plop them in my coffee or tea and go. And these are my vitamin C packets for when you think you're coming down with a little something. And then I have my other tea bags, my lemon, honey, ginger, and my smooth move and my detox tea, and also my herbal tea. I like to drink tea. It's good for you, and I highly recommend everyone should drink tea. It's good for your health. They're filled with antioxidant and it supports your immune system. This honey pot I found at Marshall's. I thought it was super cute. I love the shape of it, and also that little bee on the stick is so cute. I use this to store my honey that I use to put in my tea. So I think it's super cute. I like it. This basket I found at HomeGoods for about $12.99. I use this to store all my plantains that I fry for my breakfast, but I don't know if I'm gonna put it here. It seems a little tight, but I think I'm going to place it next to my Keurig at the end. So I'm gonna move it from here and I'm gonna place it here. I think it looks better here. So now that everything is done, we are going to see the after. This is my bar and tea area. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So this is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy my decorate / clean with me video. I hope that you guys check out the other videos on my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.